Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Richard and welcome to my cozy little corner of YouTube where I like to talk about the weird and the wonderful. And if you like what you see here, please consider subscribing to the channel and supporting me on Patreon. In today's video, I wanted to talk to you about something that's been popping up in the news over the past few days, and that's the idea of adversarial images. These adversarial images are images that are altered very slightly down to the order of a few pixels, all the way down to a single pixel, and are designed to fool image recognizers and image classifiers into thinking that image isn't what it appears to be. For example, tricking the image recognizer to thinking a turtle is a rifle, or that a dog is a cat, or that cars are planes. And with the work that's been coming out, these adversarial images apply to both 2D images and 3D images, and also apply to when you change the perspective of the 3D image. This work has been done by two teams. The first team includes Jiawei and some of their colleagues over at Kyushu University, and this work has been applied to 2D images, so that's just regular photos, and they've been feeding into, and they've been the ones responsible for doing the handful of pixels to 1 pixel alterations of images. The second team at MIT have been working on the 3D images and feeding them into the Google Image Recognizer classifier. These alterations are mind-bogglingly tiny, like I said, they're the order of a few pixels. If you were to look at it, you would recognize the image as to what it would be. The turtle's a turtle, the dog's a dog, and so on. But to the image recognizer, it recognizes it as something wildly different. And to be honest, I'll include links to the work and pictures in the description below, and you can't tell as a person, you can't tell the difference. Yet it leads these image classifiers to go down a completely different path in terms of recognizing what this image is. Since Google is one of the groups that developed these image recognition algorithms that's been targeted, they've come up with a couple of papers on how to fight against these adversarial images, which, like I said, I'll include in the description below. So it sounds like they are working on ways of combating against it. But in general, when you hear image recognizers, you wouldn't necessarily think that just altering an image by only a handful of pixels would lead into radically different classifications of images. Which, it's you kind of expect these computers to recognize, once trained well, to recognize most things in that area as what they would be, and if they're going to get it wrong, they'll kind of be in the same ballpark. Anyway, as always, there will be links in the description below if you want to go read more into this. There will be papers and articles done by other places. Anyway, that's it for today's video. If you like what you saw today, please consider subscribing and please consider supporting me on Patreon, and there will be links to other videos on screen now. And with that, I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye everyone.